Today, we are going to tour 11017 West Elm Street in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. This property is ideally located with quick access to the Loop 101 at I-10. Inside, you will find a bright and open floor plan designed for both everyday living and entertaining. The home features a mix of tile and carpet flooring, along with ceiling fans throughout for added comfort. This spacious 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home offers 2,669 square feet of comfortable living. The kitchen offers plenty of room to prepare meals and gather with others. It includes an eat-in dining area, a kitchen island, and a walk-in pantry that provides abundant storage. Outside, the yard features easy-to-maintain landscaping, making it ideal for those who appreciate low-maintenance living while still enjoying outdoor space. This home is in a great location, just minutes from the Westgate Entertainment District and State Farm Stadium. Whether commuting, enjoying local events, or exploring nearby dining and shopping, everything you need is within easy reach. A generously sized laundry room is also located conveniently within the home, making daily tasks more efficient. One of the standout interior features is the large upstairs loft. This versatile space is perfect for a second living area, a playroom, or a home office, giving you the flexibility to tailor the home to your lifestyle. And as you can see, the additional bedrooms offer ample room for family, guests, or multi-purpose use. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. This home truly delivers the space, location, and comfort you've been searching for. Upstairs, the primary suite serves as a relaxing retreat. It features a walk-in closet, along with a separate tub and shower, creating a comfortable space to unwind. Schedule your viewing today and experience all this home has to offer.